This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stevens. This amazing CALI floor plan with delight your whole family. Upgraded light fixtures and ceiling fans, gorgeous custom built-in wall unit, fabulous closets, cool soothing neutral color palette and a fabulous outdoor lanai extension which is perfect for the Florida lifestyle. Entertain in style every day of the year on your stunning extended roof lanai while you watch the kids play in the yard. This is no ordinary CALI and no ordinary community. SOUTHSHORE Bay is a resort-style, gated community featuring an outrageous crystal lagoon offering fun activities for all ages. The lagoon offers many activities such as karaoke, trivia nights, a full-service bar, a swim-up bar, sporting events and live music, food trucks and holiday events and parties. Golf carts welcome in this super-friendly community. All information contained herein subject to independent verification by buyer. All dimensions approximate. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stevens at 561-929-2269 cell.